Hello, everyone. This is V with Timeless Elegance Design, and I hope I'm finding everyone well. And let's keep this country in our prayers because we don't know what's happening from one day to the next. But today, I'm bringing you another Tablescape collab, and it is called Easter Tablescape 20. It is hosted by Kale. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Kale's co-host is Wendy of Wendy's Always Busy, and Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it. Today, our challenge was to have pastel colors, color eggs, bunnies, and basket. And I'm pretty sure I checked all of those boxes. So let's get started with my tablescape. We're going to start with my table runner. It says, Welcome Peeps, which is the theme of my table. My pink charger, I got it from Ross. My plaid plate, I got it from Hobby Lobby. The pink bread plate, I got it from Home Walmart. The bunny plate, I got it from Home Goods. Got the bunny napkin ring from Home Goods, as the white napkin and the plaid napkin, as well as the plaid placemat. They all came from Hobby Lobby. The pink glassware came from Home Goods. The Welcome Peeps pillow is a DIY. And the chair cover, the bunny chair cover, is from Dollar Tree several years ago. My table is set for 6. The 2 head chairs has a stem wine glass because those are for the adults. This is the table setting that I will be using for Easter. I kind of saved the best for last, I think. My little Easter baskets, I got those from thrifting, as well as the vases. I got those thrifting. And my pink, yellow, and blue peeps, I got those from Hobby Lobby. My tulips, my pink and yellow tulips, I got those from Hobby Lobby years ago. All the eggs inside of the arrangement, those are from Dollar Tree. So, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are liking what you are seeing, please don't hesitate to subscribe, to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you would know when I upload other videos like this. If you are one of my new friends, thank you so much for coming back. Please go over and show these three lovely ladies some love. I link their channels down below and the playlist. And view all the other participants' videos as well. And thank you so much for visiting me again. And if you have to go out, please take all the precautions and stay safe. And do come and see me again. Have a wonderful Easter. And take care. And bye-bye.